Here's how to change the keyboard size on Android. Now, if you're on your Android phone and you're using the Google Gboard, and maybe you wanted to make the keyboard bigger or smaller, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, within the keyboard, right above the Q, you're going to tap on those 4 squares. The next thing that we're going to do is tap on the resize option here. And you can see it gives us the ability to either make it taller, to make it pretty big, and you can see at the center here, I can tap on that, and then I can move it up and down. As long as it's not the biggest, I can kind of move it up and down. But if I wanted it big, I can make it bigger, and then just tap on done. Now, another way that you can change the size of it is to tap on those squares again at the top left. And then from here, tap on one-handed, and it will change it to be one-handed off to the right. You can see all of the keyboard is scrunched over to the right. Or you can tap on the little arrow to the left here, and it will switch it to a left-handed keyboard if you're used to holding it with your left hand. Now, of course, if you ever just wanted to get out of this, next to the P is the little arrows pointing out. Just tap on that button and you will switch back to the normal keyboard size, however you have it set. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful for you, or did I miss something and you're still running into issues? Thanks, guys.